Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Weekly Whimsy. I'm Lindsey, your host, and I'm ready to dive into the latest in crypto and blockchain developments. So if you're ready, let's jump right into things. In our Discord community, we have reached 3,807 members. Our server offers a vibrant space for tech enthusiasts to connect and share insights. Whether you're a beginner or a veteran in the field, there's something for everyone in our discussions. Over on social media, we recently highlighted how OpenSea has been leveraging Pinata to enhance their platform's performance. With our robust infrastructure, OpenSea has seen improved load times, which in turn has boosted user retention and smoothed out traffic spikes during high-volume events like NFT drops. This week, I'm excited to showcase Bitmark. Bitmark is an innovative player in the digital asset management sector. They use blockchain to create a secure, transparent environment for managing digital rights and assets across various industries, including entertainment, healthcare, and digital identity. Their technology ensures data provenance and enables safe private data sharing without the need for intermediaries, empowering users with true digital ownership. Get ready for the Midwest Blockathon happening from March 29th to the 30th at the University of Kansas. And yes, the Pinata team will be there. This 20-hour hackathon invites hackers from around the region to innovate and compete in Web3 development. With workshops, expert mentorship, and substantial prizes, the event promises to be a cornerstone for blockchain enthusiasts and developers. Whether you're a student, professional, or just blockchain curious, the Midwest Blockathon offers a unique opportunity to dive deep into the world of decentralized technology. Are you exploring the use of LLMs in your projects? I definitely recommend checking out our AI-enhanced documentation. At Pinata, we recognize the power of AI to streamline and enhance the development process. That's why we've crafted our documentation to be AI-friendly, ensuring it's easily digestible by both current AI technologies and future advancements. These AI docs not only serve as a resource for developers using traditional methods, but are also optimized for use with AI tools, providing a dynamic, interactive way to engage with our platform's features. And that's it for this week's episode of Weekly Whimsy. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to hit those like and subscribe buttons down below for more insights from our team. As always, keep exploring and happy pinning until next week. Bye guys!